Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Stellar from Coinbase Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're holding some Stellar, that's XLM, in your Coinbase wallet and want to move it over to Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Binance. You'll need some XLM in your Coinbase wallet and your Binance account should be verified. It's a quick step if you haven't done it yet. Why do this? Binance often has lower fees and more trading pairs, so transferring can save you money and open up opportunities. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Stellar XLM you want to send. Double-click on it to access the Send feature. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. Head over to Binance, log in, and go to your wallet section. Copy your Binance XLM deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one for Stellar to avoid any mishaps. Paste that address into the To field in Coinbase. Step 3. Specify the amount. Enter how much XLM you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Coinbase will show you the estimated fees up front, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Review and confirm. Double-check everything: the address, amount, and fees. Once you're good, hit send. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction should process in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip for 2025. With potential updates to blockchain tech, always use the latest app versions and enable two-factor authentication for security. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check blockchain explorers like Stellar's official site. There you have it. That's how you send Stellar from Coinbase to Binance. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.